I've been on holiday. Pay for the team with my DNA. I've been on getting the 90.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna be doing that Try Not to Laugh. I don't know. Yo, all of a sudden I'm in a great mood. I love this. I literally love this. So today we're gonna be doing a Try Not to Laugh. There's basically a video that popped up in my recommendation saying memes that had me wheezing from laughter. So I believe, so it's basically memes, like videos that's gonna make you basically laugh. So I decided to convert it a little bit and make it a Try Not to Laugh instead. So we're gonna be doing some Try Not to Laugh today. Today I have no music to react to. So you know, we're waiting for another day when another banger drops. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Before we get into this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below to any other videos you guys want to react to. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Following the fat people.
No fucking way you did that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, oh my god.
Stop it!
Wait, what?
Baby, I don't understand this.
Yo, this guy must be going through some tough times. He actually speaks for itself. Hang on in there, buddy. Oh, my favorites. My favorites. Hey, my G's. They're all wearing protective masks. That's good. Gloves and everything. Oh, the music is on. Stay at home or dance with them. Or you're gonna be inside and they're gonna dance with you. That's it.
If you don't like this video and subscribe to Let's Beat Haters in the next 3 seconds, you're gonna have bad luck for the next decade.
Damn girl, you're thick as fuck. I'm only 11. Oh my god, no. No, that's not even funny. Bruh, he dropped the whole pizza. Bruh, okay, wanna see my house? What? No, I have a... Wait, what did I say? Wanna see my horse? Now that's fucked up. Now that's fucked up. Oh my god. Too bad. The thing is, like, I see what she did there is because now, I mean, the only proof is like now here, you know. But at that moment, the only proof she is because, like, you know, after you send the snap, it's automatically deleted. You can't see it again unless you replay it. But it didn't. Oh my god, this is so wrong. Wow. The coffin dance meme. Dun da da dun 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 da da dun da 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 da. That's good. That's good. I like that. That's good. Yeah, plug in your merch. Go ahead, bro. They look fire though. They look fire. They look good. Can't complain. I'm holding it. Holding it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it, bro. Hold it. I'm I'm holding it. I haven't lost yet. I seen it. I seen this one. I seen this one. It was all over like comment section on Twitter. BTS is not that bad though. He's not that bad.
You ready for this trick shot, dude? Watch this.
Herbert Hoover,
Wow.
Franklin D. Roosevelt,
What's happening? Why is he so excited? Yo, chill.
Harry S. Truman,
Why is he so excited?
Dwight D. Eisenhower,
Tom and Jerry. This reminds me way back to Tom and Jerry. I remember this song from Tom and Jerry. That was, oh man, that was one of my favorite shows growing up. Tom and Jerry. The Bugs Life flashlight will be yours for just $1.600.
I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
What the, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I was confused. I didn't get it. Ooh, your Terminator is here.
For a guy
Oh,
that's in
shit.
a relationship to be interested in other girls, that's just
Wait, what did you say?
for a guy that is in a relationship to be interested in other girls, that's just cheating.
How? How? Explain me. How?
But if a girl
Oh, no, wait. To be interested. Okay, let's speak over here. To be interested. Like, is he saying it or is it just in his mind? If he says it, I mean, it's not considered cheating because he didn't do anything. Cool, but he's wrong. He's wrong. He's wrong. But it's not considered cheating because he didn't do anything. But if girls,
who's in a relationship becomes interested in another guy, it often means that she's not getting what she needs to get from him.
you know what? Shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. It's how do you have the mouth to say that? Yo, wipe your filthy mouth. Oh, hold on. And then they say, oh, we want the same right as men when this one. No, and then she says, I'm not talking in general. And then she says that she wants the same right as men after she says this bullshit. Hold on a second. Huh? So it doesn't go both ways. Like the guy that's interested in another girl is not getting like the same, attention or whatever it is from his girl. So it's not the same thing. What makes you so different? You're dumb.
That relationship.
You're dumb.
That
Get out of my screen.
It really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
Damn. Why would you run over him? Oh, no shit. Oh, no shit, bro. No shit. No shit. No shit. No, he didn't. He just like, tap your back.
Yo, dude, you hit me.
He's gonna hit somewhere. I even felt that myself. Oh my god. I kind of knew where this was gonna go. I literally knew where this was gonna go. Jesus, even the music said it itself. Oh my god, that kind of hurt. Oh, damn. That actually hurt, bro. that actually hurts. Like, being hit in the balls hurts so much. Like, oh my God. Ah, man. Yo, it literally hurts so bad. Like, it's a pain that you don't want to experience. But anyway, guys, that is it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow in a bit. Peace.
I've been on call in the middle, man. Buying in bulk and I never win.